You can expect a lot from the 2011 Nissan Murano. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include cruise control, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.